All right, class, we are on the sight word was. And you are pretty good at this already because we have been doing this for quite a while, so you know what to do, right? You're going to read the sentence 3 times, color in the stars, write the word in the box and then on the lines. Find the word was as many times as you can see it in this box. Be careful, find them all. Then you are going to cut across the line, cut out the W-A-S, and glue it into these boxes right here. Make sure that you glue them in the correct order that you spell the word was, because some of us are still struggling to put them in order to spell a word. So just be careful. Put them in the correct order, and then you are going to draw what the sentence says. So the boy was jumping on the bed. So as always, I look forward to seeing your all's pictures of what you draw from that sentence. When you are finished, please go to Seesaw and take a picture under the title Sight Word.